Okay, I was so distracted with our house guests that I'm not sure if I took a video of our latest progress on the renovation project. But this plumbing and electrical conduit was put in about a week ago. We're in the apartment. This is going to be the future kitchen. This is the entryway in the future living room. You can see it has a fridge in there and this sink. So our plan is we're going to demo that sink and the tile out once we have the new kitchen in. So this will become a more usable living room. You know, you can put a couch there or whatever. This fridge will move to the new kitchen under the stairs here. And we've measured it, it should fit okay. This before, just to orient you, this is the bathroom that's been remodeled. We're just waiting for the door here to replace that shower curtain. But other than that, it's complete. Anyway, when you're leaving the bathroom, you've got your bedroom on the right and the future living room. So this will be this was a hallway and it'll be the kitchen. So we'll remove those chairs. We'll remove this credenza here. And in the corner here, you're gonna have like an L-shaped bar with a couple stools on it, you know, so you can come and take your breakfast here if you want. Not sure if we'll keep that table here, if that'll just be like probably be a couch in there instead. But anyway, this will be right here, the power box, breaker box. I don't really like the placement of it because it's gonna be right next to the sink. This will be a sink here, dishwasher, drawers, I think, along the counter. Then you'll have washer for your clothes under the counter. That's common in Italy. Then here you'll have the end of the cabinet, or sorry, end of the countertop right about here. So this will all be countertop except the sink. And then here you'll have a cabinet that'll enclose that fridge in the corner. That's the layout. If I want to get fancy at this video, I'll show a picture at the end of what the design is supposed to look like. So this is all the plumbing, the new plumbing that's come in from the mechanical room, which is right behind that wall there. Hot and cold water for the sink. And we've got a drain, which is active, going down to the septic tank. And this will be a drain for the washer dryer here. This is the electrical conduit, which will go to the hood over the stove. Oh, that's what I forgot, where I said there were cabinets, there is gonna be electric range here, and then the vent hood. That's the vent hole up there. And then we'll have some counters to the left and right of the hood there. So pretty standard Italian kitchen. We're looking at different options of where to buy a kitchen. I'll install it myself. We're trying to do something in the classico Italian, style to match all this old wood. There's a lot of new modern designs, but I think we want to pay homage to the old Tuscan style. Anyway, that's the progress with the apartment kitchen. This is where the new kitchen stovepipe comes out for the kitchen in the apartment. Here Luigi is finishing off the stucco they had to cut through to put in the new power line. He's doing the final coat here and rubbing it with a wet sponge to smooth it out and hide the texture. Bello.